The subject is English literature for the class 8. The topic is poem. The name of the poem is Macavity the Mystery Cat. Macavity the Mystery Cat. It was written by T.S. Eliot, the poet. T.S. Eliot. He was an essayist, publisher, literary critic, and also an editor. He moved on to England in 1914 at age of 25 and went on to settle, work, and marry there. He was born on 26 September 1888 and died on 4th January 1965. The other poems written by him were The Wasteland, The Love Song of J. Alfred Prufrock, The Hollow Men, Preludes, Ash Wednesday, etc. Introduction. Macavity. This story is about a mystery cat. The poet describes the mysterious quality of a cat of villainous character. No crime agency was able to arrest this masterminded cat after committing crime. Macavity is a tall and thin cat who is always up to some crime. The quick movements and mysterious eyes of the cat might have influenced the poet to create this character in form of cat. First stanza, Macavity is a mystery cat. He is called a hidden paw, for he is the master criminal who can defy the law. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard, the flying squad despair. For when they reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. In the first stanza, the poet talks about a mystery cat. The name of the cat is Macavity. It is also called the hidden paw. It had never obeyed any laws. The police of Scotland is helpless before Macavity. He is a puzzle for every detective agency in the Scotland and also in the world, including Flying Squad, who are specialized investigating crime. He is nowhere at the crime spot. It is too difficult to catch Macavity. Stanza 2. Macavity, Macavity. There is no one like Macavity. He has broken every law. He breaks the law of gravity. His powers of levitation would make a fakir state. When you reach scene of crime, Macavity is not there. You may seek him in the basement. You may look up in the air. But I tell you once and once again, Macavity is not there. In the second stanza, the poet says, there is no one like Macavity. He had never obeyed any law, not only the laws enforced by people, it also didn't obey the law of gravity because it floats in air. If you search him in the basement, he'll be in the air. If you search him in the basement, you'll find him in the air. His eyebrows are deeply lined as it looks like it plans for crime all the time. The poet says again and again, Macavity is not there. Third stanza, Macavity is a ginger cat. He is tall and thin. You would know if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in, his brow is deeply lined with thought, his head is highly domed, his coat is dusty from neglect, his whiskers are uncombed. He sways his head from side to side with movements like a snake. And what you think? He is half asleep. He is wide awake. Macavity looks tall and thin. It has sunken eyes and his head is highly domed. He never combed his whiskers. His movement resembles that of snake. His skin is full of dust. You may think he had fallen asleep, but he is wide awake in fact. Last stanza, Macavity, Macavity. There is no one like Macavity. Macavity, for he is a flint in felon shape, a monster of depravity. You may meet him in a by-street, you may see him in the square, but when a crime is discovered, then Macavity is not there. In the last stanza, the poet says that Macavity is unique and peculiar. He is an expert cheat. He is an evil monster. You can see him anywhere on the street or anywhere, but if you want to punish him, you couldn't find him. Question and answers. Read the first stanza and think, is Macavity a cat really? If not, who can Macavity be? No, Macavity is not a cat. Macavity is a fictional character created by the poet. A cat, I am sure, could walk on a cloud without coming true. Which law is Macavity breaking in the light of the command above? In the light of the above command, Macavity is breaking the law of gravity. Complete the following sentences. A master criminal is the one who defies the law. Dash, because Macavity moves much faster than them. The Scotland Yard is baffled because whenever they reach the scene of crime, they cannot find Macavity. Dash because Macavity moves much faster than them. Nobody can catch Macavity at the scene of crime because Macavity moves much faster than them. Read the stanza 3 and then describe Macavity in 2 or 3 sentences of your own. Macavity is a ginger cat who is very tall and thin. It has sunken eyes and eyebrows deeply lined with thoughts. While its head is highly domed, its coat is dusty. The whiskers of cat are uncombed. It moves its head from side to side like a snake, and it is always wide awake, even if you think it has fallen asleep. Having read the poem, try to guess whether the poet is fond of cats. If so, why does he call Macavity a mystery cat or the monster? Yes, it seems like the poet is fond of cats. He calls Macavity and a monster because he might have wanted to portray an evil side of the cat. He might have used a cat in order to create a negative character who is a criminal and escapes easily from the police. The quick movements of a cat and its mysterious eyes might have influenced the T.S. Eliot to create such an evil character in the form of cat. Thank you.